I want to show you guys on how you can easily connect your IronFX account to your MT4 account, to your MT4 app right now. I want to show you how you can connect your IronFX account to your MT4 mobile app. So when you log into your account like this, after you have already made a deposit to your account, all right, so the next step right now, when you are creating an account, you have already created your own MT4 or MT4 account during the registrations. All right, but if you want to create a new one, you just need to just click on create, then try to fill all the information and everything. Do that. Can you see it's MT4? Select account type. You can say this particular live spread. All right, then come to this area again, account. You can say USD, then the bonus, just say standard bonus. I don't need a bonus. Then for beginner, you can select either this 1.5 or 1.1 for minimal something. Then you're gonna click on this area, agree. All right, so that is how you can set it up. So you're gonna click on this submit. All right, then your login details will be sent to your email address. That is number one. We have done with this particular area. So right now, let's go and check our email if they have already successfully sent the details to log into our MT4 to our email address. You can see they have already sent the they have already sent the inbox to our email address. You just check your email like this, then you can see, you see it on your email address, this particular one. All right, you are going to see it. Just click on this, your live account has been approved. You click on, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see it like this. You are going to see the login details like this. This is your account number. All right, and this is your password, and this is your server. So you are going to copy everything step by step. Then you now use it to log in. So the first thing now is just copy your this particular server. You copy it. After that, you copy the you copy the account number, then you copy the something. So these are the main thing you need to use to log in: the account number, the password, and the server name. Let's do that right now. The next step right now is to just come to your Play Store and search for MT4 app. You click on MT4, then you're gonna, can you see this is the MT4? You need to just make sure to install it on your mobile phone. Click on install. So let me just pause the video. Now the account has been successfully, you need to just open it, your MT4. You need to just make sure to even to delete all this one, accept all this one, click on cancel. Don't worry about this one. So click on get started. Then how can you connect your account? Click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign here. You need to just make sure to log into an existing account. Click on this area to log in. Then let's go to our account to find our broker, our email address to get it. Right now, we need to just make sure to copy this particular one, this particular IronFX server. You can see my something. Copy that one. Let me copy it. Right now, let me just paste the server. I'll not paste. Can you see? This is the IronFX Ray. I'll now click on it like this. So the next step is to just make sure to copy the account number, then the password. Let me show you the area. Right now, you need to just make sure to try to copy the account number, then the then the password. That's the only thing you need to do. Then you log in. So right now, I'll just make sure to paste the account number, then the password. I will now click on this sign in right now. That is all what you need to do. I'll now click on sign it. You are good to go. So let me just do that right now in a few minutes right now. You can see I have successfully logged into the account. Simple as that. So this is how you can easily log into your MT4 account on IronFX. Then you can navigate to your code. You can add, if you want to add a pair, click on if you want to add a pair, click on this area. You can see area. Let's say you want to search for gold SA. All right, you search for it. Let me do it again for you. If you want to search for any pair, click on this area. that area, you search for any pair you want to search for. Click on them. Let's say you want to search for gold. SAW. You can see this is double US dollars gold. You search it like this, then you add it, then to add it to your pair like this on this area. You can see. Then if you want to add any pair, this is all this AUD. So if you want to add any pair, just come to this something. All right, come to this area. All right, you come here and add. If you want, let's say you want to trade any pair. If you want to trade GBP USD, this is GBP USD. You click on it, you press on it, then you click on new order. If you want to go for buy limit, you click here like this, buy. Then you put all your something. Then I will show you that one later. So in my other video. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to this is if you want to check all your accounts, everything. This is your trade. I've not placed any trade, just a sample. This is your account. This is a trade. This is all your money you deposit to the account. Simple as that. So see you guys in my next coming video on how you can place a trade. Thank you. Bye for now.